Can AI predict who wins the French Open? I was teaching my son Locke how to use AI. We fed a computer 78,000 tennis matches and asked it one question. Who's going to win? 78,000 matches. 25 years. Every serve, every win, every loss. That's the raw data. First, the computer gives every player a score. Like a ranking in a video game. Win a match, your score goes up. Lose, it goes down. Beat the best player in the world, huge bonus points. But here's the twist. The French Open is on clay. And some players are beasts on clay, but average everywhere else. So the computer tracks a separate score for every surface. Alcaraz has a 96% clay win rate. Sinner, the world number one, only 85. That gap changes everything. Next, the computer plays a game of 20 questions. Is this player's score higher? Have they won on clay before? It asks hundreds of these questions, gets them wrong. Then it plays again, but this time it only focuses on the ones it got wrong. It does this 200 times. Each round, it gets a little smarter. That's called XGBoost. Last step. Instead of just picking the favorite every time, we flip a coin. A weighted coin. If Alcaraz has a 72% chance, he wins most of the time, but not always. We do this for every single match. Then we run the entire tournament. 10,000 times. And count who wins. Carlos Alcaraz, 29.2%. The defending champion. Jannik Sinner, 13%. Zverev, 7. Musetti, the dark horse, 6. And Djokovic, the greatest of all time, just 4.5. He's 38. The model doesn't care about legacy. It only cares about the numbers. Predicted final. Alcaraz versus Zverev, 72% confidence, but there's a 71% chance someone other than Alcaraz wins the whole thing. That's the point. AI doesn't pretend to know the future. It measures the uncertainty. ELO ratings from chess. Gradient-boosted decision trees. Monte Carlo simulation. 78,000 data points distilled into one probability. This is what AI Adaptive builds. AI Adaptive Technologies.